family vlog starts now.
Tamaan kami guys.
Tamaan na kami guys.
Okay, we're in Berlin. And we checked in. Chickening. Hi mom. Here's our room. My sister na in top. Super nice location. And that is a train station. Hola! So we're now going to Brandenburg. To eat lunch.
Eingefahrenen Zug auf Gleis 11.
Thank you.
Actually, yung hangin yung malamig. Okay, so we're now in Belarus. Charot. In Berlin, waiting for our walking tour to start.
Yeah.
So we booked our trip through Get Your Guide. If you want some, click on the link. No, I'm kidding.
For 5% discount, input team 002.
Input Happy Noel. Okay, guys, let's find. We're gonna go on a hunt for some human kisses. Come on. Kisses number 1. Kisses number 1. Wow! Ang ganda ng camera na to. Ay, wala.
Sa loob ata.
Huh? The kisses is fine. Kisses number 2. Chinging. Hi.
Sa loob.
Hindi na po nila kinakaya. Bilang nag-inom ng susunod. So we're now in the memorial of the murdered Jews severe. Wow. Gagawin natin. You just walk. After our last stop, Mommy, you can do it, Mommy. Ma. Ano na, Ma? Pagod na pagod ka na, Ma? Ha? Gusto mo na mag-shopping? Yung mga legs ko na. Ay, tawid na, Kat. Done with our tour. Now we're going to Checkpoint Charlie. So, when you cross here. Ah, that's what it is. So, ano na, Ma? Pagod na, Ma? Dati, ano ginagawa niya sa kanyang cellphone? Yes, chismis. Napagod. Napagod mag-walking tour. Alas 4 pa yan. Ano, Daddy?
Lods tayo na.
Chika ka lang dyan eh. Si Mami.
Yeah, video. Wala mustard yan?
How is it?
Binigyan ko kayo ng TV. Making pictures. It's so lovely. Behind the scenes. Tara, nagutom na ako, guys. Ano pong kinakain? Ma'am, bawal po yan dito. Well, guys, wapas. Mga Tom Goods. Tom Goods sa Christmas markets. So nice. It's so nice, this one. But you have to pay €2. Recording.
So, hi, lovelies. Okay, so we're done with the tour. We did a walking tour today, and then we went to the Christmas market. It's called the GNDR map. Yeah, that's it. And then we ate our first ever German sausage. Our first ever German sausage.
It's true what they say. They're big.
We had 2 or 3.
We just can't get enough.
Anyway, so actually we were with our parents, but due to unforeseen circumstances or let's say old age, tinaksi na namin sila, guys. Kasi hindi na nila kaya.
Sila ng bolt at umuwi na sila.
Hindi na nila kaya. Like, give up na yung mga paa nila. So, tinaksi na namin sila. And kami, we're gonna go to explore Berlin at night.
It's Christmas Eve, baby.
Huh?
It's Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas Eve. It's December 23, 2025.
Sobrang lamig naman talaga, to be fair. Like, ang giro naman talaga.
Says,
Pero yung mga magulang namin gagapang na, they're like gonna crawl in the streets of Berlin.
yep. At saka actually mahangin. So, parang 2 degrees lang ata, pero sobrang hangin. Kaya, mamatay ka na, girl. Okay. See you.
See you, lovelies.
See you in our next stop. Okay. Update, guys. We're here now sa Berlin Cathedral / na may Berlin Tower na may kasamang Christmas market. Ito yon. Kita mo yan? Ngayon, nandito kami sa may Sis, kay drama yan, maniwala ka. Ano? Ay, Disney na. Nag-iba na sila. Siyempre gusto nyo makita yung tumutugtog, diba? Pero hindi ko alam paano ikot yung camera. Ayun. Oh, ganda. Okay, a moment of silence. Yun yung cathedral. Das Berlin Tower yun. Sis. Ayun sis, toilet. Ayan 50 meters. Hirap sa ibang bansa. Meron sila may... Ayan. Kasi kanina guys, yung Ay sis, sabihin mo ano meron sa Christmas market natin kanina?
Ano meron? May bayad, €2. Apparently, ganun pala yung ibang, like some Christmas markets in Berlin have entrance.
Oo. Ano lang bayad kami kanina? Ayan. Okay. Christmas market number 2. And show. Eto na guys, we're on to our 3rd Christmas market. Hindi namin na-videohan yung kanina kasi kasi hindi na gumagana yung kamay ko, no? Okay, sis. lady na. Mamaya na, kasi na siya yung phone ko naka-close. By the way, Mom, thanks for the treat. Update sa parents. Now we're gonna have some hot choc. Yes, come on. Alala ko pag Berlin yung mga naka-leather pants. Dalawa pa, bro? Magkano is? Paano mo mag-cheers? Tama. Next one, bro. Hanap tayo maganda spot. Hey! Gawin ito isang phone pang cheers. Ha? Was? Ay, kasama ka na? Ja, gut. Laura, wir brauchen 2 Damen für alle. Ja, voll, wenn du sagst, so gut. It's yummy! Hot chocolate. Girl, yung gloves mo may ano na. Patayin mo na. Hi guys. Ay, pwede din. Magkano yan? Walang iya kayo nung masyado yung balance sa isang gabi ko. Parang nawala yung 100 euros. Christmas market pala. And garlic, 8.50. Mahal na 8.50. Actually, gusto ko tubig. By the way, medyo nalasingila kasi kami, guys. Charot lang. Natamaan kami, guys. Natamaan na kami, guys. Actually, medyo blurry na nga ito. Medyo confused na ako kung nasan ba ako. Anyway, Asian Berlin Tower. Kita mo yun? Ay, hindi pala yun. Ayun, okay. This is our 4th market. Mas maganda kasi kung ginigyan ko yung mic. Yan nga iba pinapalito. Ang iyak mo naman. Ang photo booth ka. So, I've actually spent 10 euros for photo booth. 10 euros is 600 pesos. Ay, ang ganda ng tower. Face to face kami. Ano? Tower lang? Anong sinasabi mo? Ay, ito yung nag-ice catering. Gano'n ka? Oo. Ito na nasahan yung microphone. So, mas maganda yung pick up ng audio sa akin. Okay lang. Ito kasi yun. Hirap na kami. Bakit? Di kasi magana yung mga kamay namin. Wait. Kaya nga, wrong move. Ayan. Hey guys. Kuya, nagaganyan. Hindi ka pala marunong. Ayan o. Nyo. Kaya mag-alala, kaya din namin to. Yan o. Abangan ko baka may sumubsob. Ay, may nagpipicture. Sis, dito ka. Picture lang kita. Ay, dito ka, tayo ka. Kasi ano kami dito, very ano kami, productive. Habang naghahanap kami ng hot choco at ng sausage, naghahanap din kami ng moisturizer. Kasi dry na kami. Not the personality because but our faces are so... Ay, si Justin Bieber. Charot. Lagi mo nakikita ang Hollywood. German na pala siya. Feeling kapag vlog ako. Dog show lang. Oh, by the way, hindi na namin alam kung nasan kami ha.
Ay, ito na may isa. Ay, like tayo sa tayo mo.
Okay, malling time. Tapos na kami sa outside market. So, by the way, sobrang tatangkad nila dito. Like, wala ng hair ko kasi hindi ko na kaya. Yung average height nila dito is, I think, 6 ata. Parang kaya na lang kaming apakan. Literal. Like parang winawas-iwas lang nila kami. Ay, tangi, hindi na exit.
We will shop. Teka, mali. Kasi, hindi kami makalabas. Guys, kami makalabas.
Tama na, wala na kaming euro. Tama na.
Trap kami sa Christmas spirit.
Wala ng euro.
Dali, bilisan mo. Kasi na yung mall lang na yun.
Okay, faster. Ito na, last look of the Berlin Tower. Ano ba yung, first of all, ano ba yung Berlin Tower? Hindi rin namin alam.
So, going to have breakfast. Our hotel is just right there. There. And the train station is literally right across. They have skipped dinner. Very hungry monsters. Bukas na ba? Hindi ba sila open? Ayun, hindi ba nga? Okay. Done with McDonald's. Daddy, anong damit yan? Tinan mo yung damit mo, Daddy. Bakit? Done with breakfast. The edited vlog. How is it, sis? So guys, what we did, may picture kami sa wall. And kaya parang naman yung kamay namin. And yung parents namin, kung hinahanap yung sabat, lagi silang wala dito dahil nasa toilet sila.
Parents are in the toilet. Ooh, nice shot, bro. I mean, did I just compliment myself? I might have. So here at the east side, Gary, if you scan the QR codes, it'll give you more information on the artworks. So cool. Mami, tulog ka na? Ma?
May
Sa Sapporo, nag-i-snow.
guys, ito na nga pala kami. Guys. Wait lang. Ayun, magsalita ka, go.
Okay, so, dahil Christmas, nag-book kami ng concentration camp.
It's always good to learn about history, you know.
Anyway, sobrang ginaw. Like, feeling ko sa amin apat, okay, medyo makapal yung balat. Pero, as of the moment, gusto ko na lang magtago sa ilalim ng comfort. I'm so dead.
Ibang mga tao.
Okay. 25 minutes walking. Nino. Okay guys, so we're now going to the... Where's my mic? It's on my hair.
Wala na, takip naman. Huwag ka naman.
Ate girl lang yun ah. Anyway, so mag-walk na kami. Going to the concentration camp. And may dala kaming achuma.
May sama na naman ang lola. Nahuli na.
Mami, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hello. Where are we?
Don't know.
Mother, where are we?
We are in Berlin.
Okay. See you. Because we're gonna do the walking, ano. Basta kung saan sila. Where the... Ang hirap mag-English, naiintindihan ako ng mga tao sa paligid. Pero kailangan ko din mag-Tagalog at mag-English dahil, you know, viewers namin, viewers ng sister ko, ano yung worldwide. You know. Okay, see you later. In fairness pala, guys. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng shot ko, oh. Oh. You know? Ganda, girl. Para maniwala kayo, nasa Berlin kami. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ay. Okay. Oh. Where's Daddy?
Yes,
I-record mo. Bago ka
Nag-record na.
shout out from CBC si Raimundo Pasig.
Okay, for context, after the train station, we're walking the same path that the prisoners walk on the way to the concentration camp. And my sister was asking, we're not prisoners, why are we walking this? Pero, ayan. Oh, diba? Parang gusto lang maiwan ni Mama dito sa Vietnamese food. Guys!
Hi sa Pitsay Management.
Ano ba ito? Ito yung Chevy Fisher sa... May ano, may bate. Ito naman si Mami. Ang ganda ng book mo dito, girl. Kasing araw. Medyo freezy yung talaga. Kailangan ng bitters. Hmm?
Mga bahay daw ng dating ano.
So, ang kailangan mong tanungin si Katarina, bakit ito binuk? Hindi siya sabi pa kanilang gugustuhan mo daw kasi ano is.
Ako? Ang gusto ko ay lagi ako sa bahay. Hindi, okay naman. Maganda lang din kayo. May solar na nga doon. May solar dito.
Hitchhiking. Oh, nice. Kitang-kita yung hair mo dito, bakla. Ha?
Fried chicken.
Oo. Bili tayong fried chicken na lang. Hi guys. Hindi na namin kaya guys.
Spanish. Nalaglag yung ano. Bahan ko rin ko. Parang arch na.
lot of the camp. Ay, asa? History of the site. It's also eat your sandwich then.
Well, gross crematoria is visible. Then again, too many deaths. And they
Post Christmas meal, how do you feel? How do you? Okay, ano na? Uy, pansin niyo ako. Ano na? How's the meal, mommy?
It was good.
Daddy?
It was good and it was expensive. Because I am the one who pay. Oh, baka yung ipapadala pa.
picture dito.
Baka yung ipapadala pa pamasahe, ha?
Okay, now they're gonna take some pictures.
Ito magandang background dito. Kaya.
Kaya? Okay. Mama din. Mama din picture eh.
Diba? Dad. What did you say? He's gonna vomit. Too much food.
Hindi ka ako. Ano ba ako sa ganda? Wait lang. Close my... Wait, hindi ko ping bakit. 1, 2.
Ito na nga, guys. Yung gutom na gutom ka na. Ay, pagod na pagod ka na. Hindi ko mahanap yung sauce. Parang namili ko. Bihilo mo. Oh, shit. Diba? Tingnan mo. Name ng room namin.
dito na siya.
Competition is real. Have you seen our room? Okay guys, since dami na pinagdaan, ngayon tayo mag-room 2. Charot. Ito, anong hair to?
Hindi mo yung kapabay ng kuryente.
Okay, so we're now leaving Berlin to go to Prague. Our train is at 3:28 and it's now, you can't hear him, right? You can just hear me. Thank you. It's 2 p.m. We have an hour to kill.
Another day, another country. Yes. Good day, everyone. This is your friendly neighborhood. Another day, another country.
Daddy, what do you have to say about Berlin?
Berlin, yes. The wall is already broken. Berlin, another brick on the wall.
Ay, tanggapin yung CHF. Kailangan talaga 1 euro. Wala lang.
Saan ba tayo
Sa train yun, di ba? Basta nasa ilalim tayo ng Paris.
Okay, they've been discussing. I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do. By the way, so as of today, I've already worn my boots 2 times, and thanks to my mother for buying
The new Skechers.
new shoes because
Tag price pa.
I can't even walk na. Okay, that's it. We're waiting for our train going to Prague. That is the most takot si daddy na animal. Prague. Corny. Bye.